A very good morning to all of you. So this is your chemistry period and I'll be taking your chemistry from now. So yesterday ma'am taught you about colloidal solutions. So you have learnt about true solution, suspensions and colloidals. So now we'll compare what are the differences between the three, between true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. So let us compare them and let us find out. So let us see first the property, then how it differs in the three: true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. So first we talk about the size of the particle. The particle size of true solution are less than 1 nanometer. Okay. If we talk about colloidal solution, the particle size is 1 to 100 nanometers and that of suspension is greater than 100 nanometers. Okay. Next, the nature of the true solution is homogeneous. You have learnt already. The nature of the colloidal solution is heterogeneous and that of the suspension is heterogeneous. Now let us look for the visibility. The visibility of the particles of true solution. You cannot see the particles of true solution with naked eye because they are that small, so they cannot be visible by naked eye. And the colloidal particles are not seen by naked eye, but we can see them through an ultra microscope. They can be seen through an ultra microscope. Got it? And suspension particles are big enough to be seen by the naked eye. We can see the suspension particles by naked eye. Got it? Now, if we talk about the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect means scattering of light by the particles of solution. So true solution does not show Tyndall effect. Colloidals show Tyndall effect. And suspension may or may not show Tyndall effect. Some of the suspension solution show Tyndall effect and some do not. Got it? Now the appearance, how do they look? If we talk about true solution, they are transparent like a sugar solution. You will see it is transparent in nature, appearance. If we talk about colloids, they are translucent. They are translucent like milk. And if we talk about suspensions, they are opaque. Opaque means light cannot pass through them. So they are opaque in appearance. Got it?